Hi everyone, it's Eddie at Eddie Makes Art, and today I am going to show you what I just got from PM Artist Studio in Texas from Mariah and Patricia. This is the envelope they ship it in, and it's awesome. It's like it's eco-friendly packaging, but it's really good. Like, it's sturdy. All right. So I ordered some stencils, and when you order from them, they also they throw in a few goodies. So I'll show you the goodies first, and then we'll go over the stencils. So these are the ladies at PM Artist Studio. This is Patricia, and this is M, and together they make PM Artist Studio. And I encourage you to check out their website, pmartiststudio.com. So much stuff on there, some great stencils and masks, and now they have stamps, and those are really cool. And then they have some free stuff like resources for artists. So definitely check out their page, their website. They do live streams on YouTube each week. Sundays at 10, Tuesdays at 3, Thursdays at 3, and that's Central Time. So if you're on the East Coast, it's 1 hour ahead. If you're on the West Coast, 2 hours behind. And sometimes they do a bonus after hour stream. But they're fun. You get a lot of info. And then they give you a discount too. 10% off. And you can use this code. If you can see that, I'll put it in the description box below as well. And these are different programs that you can join. They're different levels, and they give you different opportunities and different benefits and stuff. So that's pretty cool. So definitely take a look at these, this website and these awesome ladies. They're hilarious. They're very intelligent, and they know their stuff. Let's get to the good stuff now, the goodies. So the first goodie is this little stencil, and I don't know exactly which it came from, but it's probably like they'll send you like what they consider a boo-boo or an extra. They'll throw it in there, so that is awesome. And then I got this awesome piece of tissue, painted tissue, and it's got a texture to it. And I believe they used moon paste on here. Not moon paste, I'm sorry. The white fluffy paste, I believe. And if I can remember, I'll put a link to that on the website, on the video. And I don't know if you can see that. It's so cool. So this is an awesome little bonus. And I'm going to use it in something. I don't know what yet, but I can't wait. It's so tactile. All right. And the next goodie, let's do this one. I apologize for the alarm. That is somebody's car. I'm going to stop the video until it stops, and then we'll come back. Let's get back to the goodies from PM Artists. Look at that. That's so cool. Excuse me. Again, it's on tissue. And I wonder if this is Carnival Tissue. Maybe, I don't know, but it's so cool. Got a lot of great texture in it. And that'll definitely be used for collage or tags. And then the last goodie. Oh, I love these little envelopes. They glassine, I believe is what they're called. If I'm wrong, I'm wrong, but they're cool. I might paint on that, do a little gel printing on that. And they sent me a couple of these are probably brayer off sheets. Like this one looks like a brayer off sheet, but can you see the sparkle on there? And this is a stamp, one of their stamps. And this guy. And I believe that's a stamp. And I know it's a stencil too, but I'm not sure if I think that's the stencil. And then this is the Asemic writing stamp. Oh, that's so cool. Yeah, so some awesome goodies. And now we got stencils. So the first one we have here is I got their butterflies masks, mask monarchs. And you see here, patterns perfect for creating layers using all types of mixed media. And it's cut from 74-pound UPO synthetic sheets. It's their go-to stencil material. It resists buckling with wet media and can be wiped clean or let the grunge build up, adding a unique texture to your prints. The stencil designs in this set are all created from our very own artwork. Okay, and in here I get about one set of 5. These are so beautiful and they're very delicate. So I try to be very careful. You see that? Let me use this cardboard here so you can see them better. All right, so these are 2 medium ones, or small, medium, large. Yep, I'm in camera. Extra large, and then the big mother, extra large. Oh, I'm gonna have so much fun with these. I already have an idea for what I want to do with one of the larger ones, something Valentine-ish, but that's for another video. All right, I'm gonna set these back in their paper. And then these are from Carrie the Crafter, I apologize. The designs in this set are all created by Carrie Griffiths. Want to know more? Find them on YouTube at Carrie Griffiths. Again, it's UPO stencils, and these are strips that he designed from scratch, and he has larger versions of these in the shop as well. But I really wanted the strips because you can use bits and pieces to create. All right, we have, see on the back they even show you the different patterns. So this one's all leaves, all different ways. And you see here, that's not a mistake. Sometimes the UPO doesn't come completely out, but you just go in there, take it right out. Not an issue. That's really cool. And then this one is 3 roses, some leaves, and a single leaf, which is a great idea, Carrie, because sometimes you just want 1 leaf here, 1 leaf there. Maybe you're going to use this rose and then just add 1 leaf there and 1 leaf there. So he's very thoughtful in his designs, and that's very appreciated. This is roses. All the way up. That's a fun one. Now this one is roses. Let me move this guy. It's got the 2 roses. Upside down. Yeah. 2 roses there, 2 there. And then little leaves. And again, you can use, you could stamp these out individually, use them just in sections. Okay. And then this one is, this is the 2 rose one, the 2 larger roses, and then the 5 leaves on either side. And then, did we show you this one? Yeah, we showed you this one, all the roses. So that, you get the 5 in the set. And I'm definitely going to have fun with these. Thank you, Carrie. These are beautiful. I will take care of them as best I can. Okay. Oh, this is fun. So this is where the cutout from the Monarch Butterflies. And it's cool because they added in. It's not extra. They added in. And it's fun because you can use these as silhouettes and kind of layer up the different sizes, and it's cool. I'm gonna definitely use that. And then I also purchased the Celtic Knot Mandala. It's a set of 3, mask and tidbit. Okay, there's 7 inches. These are approximate sizes: 7 inches, 5 inches, and 4 inches. Okay, so these are the 3 Celtic knots, 3 sizes, and then there's a strip of mini ones. So that's the strip. You have your smaller stencil. And again, look at this. It's just really beautiful, intricate, but it's not flimsy either, but you do want to take care of them and be gentle with them. All right, that's the medium. And then there's the big old mama right there. That's going to be awesome. And these are like it says, these are great for layering, giving yourself different, giving your piece different levels of interest. Okay, so, and those were designed by PM Artist Studio. And the next one I have is also from a design of PM Artist Studio. And this is the Craftsman Square Lattice Stencil in the 8x10. I was going to get a 5x7, but I thought, look at how beautiful that is on a larger scale. I saw Patricia using this on a stream the other day, and it was just, I was so impressed. Like, I literally, as she was doing it, I literally went to their website, put it in my cart so I wouldn't forget, because I knew I had to have this one. There's so many possibilities with this guy. I love it. Again, it's called Craftsman Square Lattice. All right, moving on. Oh boy, I love these ones. Save the best for last. So this stencil, we'll go over this first, is called Living Nautilus, Style 1, set of 3 masks from Fran on the Edge, also known as Fran Baker. Hi, Fran. Hope you're watching. And you can find her on YouTube, Fran on the Edge, all one word. And I will link her PM Artist Studio and Carrie the Crafter in my in the description box on the video, so you can check them out. They have great videos. So these are the pieces, right? I mean, it's like, it's awesome. I saw that and right away I said, yeah, I gotta have that. And it comes like it shows here, it comes in pieces. But first, Mariah also sent us the cutout part, so you can use it. So this is your stencil, right? You can use this as a stencil. Then these are the interesting fun bits. In this glassine bag. You get everything? Yeah. All right, so let's be super careful. So we have the tree. And I don't know what the individual pieces are called, so I'll give them my own names. I believe this is a sort of trident kind of thing, because it's a nautical theme. Or Nautilus. And this, I don't know. Root down, big flower, I don't know. But it's really cool, right? It's just, it just gives your piece so much more interest. This little guy looks like the girl from Rugrats. the two bows. And then we have the pod tree, I don't know, lotus tree. So cool. And this weird creature. And then this, I think this is an instrument. Definitely, I think so, but I don't know. Let's see. And then this is the larger version of that one. Let's see. Yeah. So I hope you enjoy this little unboxing video. I'm going to go enjoy my new stencils, and I'll probably do a video, you know, using some or all of these in the near future, so look out for that. And again, this is all courtesy of, where's the card? PM Artist Studio, Patricia and Mariah. Again, I'm linking all this information in the video description box, so you can get all the information and get some stencils. All right, thank you so much. Have a great day.